Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put timer on workout video using CapCut. In order to do this, you just have to first launch your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to search for pixabay.com. This will land you on the official website of Pixabay, where you are going to see this search bar in the top. So you will have to tap on the search bar, and here you will have to type green screen timer. Once done, you will have to select it as videos, and then you will have to press search. After doing so, you are going to see a bunch of different green screens and timers on top of it. So you will have to select any of the videos that you want to download, and after that you will have to tap on download and then download again. Once you do this, that particular green screen timer video will start downloading in your device, and once it is downloaded successfully, you will have to launch your CapCut. After that, you will have to tap on new project. Then you will have to first select your workout video. After that, you will have to tap on overlay button in the bottom, then again tap on overlay. After that, you will have to select your green screen video. Then you need to press add in the bottom. Then you can adjust the timer and you can place it over here like this. Once done, you are going to see a bunch of different options in the bottom, so you just have to swipe to the left and you will have to tap on the option of cutout. Then you need to tap on chroma key. Once you do this, you are going to see this circle around the green screen video. So you need to tap on the circle and you will have to position it once. After that, you are going to see these two options, intensity and shadow. So you need to tap on intensity and you need to make the intensity as 70 or 80%. After that, you will notice that the green screen is now removed. Now over here, you need to press this check button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and if you play it, you will see that you have successfully added a timer on your workout video. If you want to export it, then you can tap on this export button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and this way you will be able to easily export it in your device. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.